Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create increment and decrement button. It is very useful when you are creating an activity in which you want to show the number of trials you have attempted in that particular activity. So let's start. Increment and decrement. Button. So I am creating two buttons. One is increment. The other one is decrement. So in increment button, when you click on this, it will increase by 1. For that, I am giving a variable trial equal to 0. And one more I am giving trial equal to 50. No, I have to give another this same value. So again, I am giving trial equal to 0. Okay, it's enough. Now I am giving a command set value trial comma trial plus 1. I'm closing this. Now I am clicking on this button. You can see here trial 1, trial 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It will go like that. If you want to see here, just write number of trials equal to this. So when you click here, you can see the number is changing. Now how to give decrement? I'm just clicking, I'm just copy pasting this. Right click. It's not get pasted. Again, Control C, Control V. Instead of +1, we have to give -1. Now let's see. See this value. It is decreasing. So when you are creating an activity in which if you want to know how many trials you have attempted, in such cases you can create such buttons. So I will come back with a project based on this soon. Till that, bye-bye.